guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. If you are new here, or if you've been here before and you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, please feel free to hit the subscribe button down below and also click the little bell so you'll be notified every single time I post a new video. Now, as y'all can tell by the title, today's video is going to be a 3-strand twist out, maybe tutorial type of video. I'm not sure what I'm gonna name this video yet, but yes, this is going to be a 3-strand twist out video. So I just filmed a video. If you didn't watch it, you can go watch it. I will probably link it in the cards above or in the description box below. So yeah, I'm back on camera to film this 3-strand twist out. So I'm not gonna talk a lot, so let's just get into this video. All right, y'all, so I'm just starting off by parting my hair into sections, and I decided to do a side part, so yeah, that's what I did. And at this point in the video, this is when I decided that I wanted to try and do jumbo 3-strand twists. And I'm just going in with the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. I'm sure y'all have heard of this product before, but it gives me really good definition and really good moisture. And my hair just wanted to fall down in my face. And to seal in all the moisture, I'm just going to top it off with some extra virgin olive oil. And then I'm just going to part my hair into 3 sections as evenly as possible. And since I'm doing jumbo twists, I'm starting off by braiding my roots so my roots won't come loose. And then I'm just going to start doing the 3-strand twist. Now I'm going to try to explain this as simple as possible. Okay, so I left this in real time so y'all could like kind of see what I'm doing. So in order to do a 3-strand twist, you're going to start off by twisting your hair as if you were about to do a 2-strand twist, but then you're going to take the 3rd piece and wrap it all the way around. Okay, you see? Twist, wrap all the way around. Twist, wrap all the way around. And you're just going to keep repeating this process all the way down until you've made your way to the end of the twist. And I'm just adding more product to the ends as needed. And when I get to the ends, I'm just going to twirl them around my finger. And y'all see how that like end was a little straggly? I'm just gonna take my scissors and just dust it off, just trim it off right there. And then I'm just gonna continue this process all over my whole head, trimming my ends as needed. All right, y'all, and this is what my twists were looking like. Not bad at all, but not my best, because I usually do like mini twists all over my head, but I was not trying to take like 4 hours to do my hair. And on YouTube, I be seeing a lot of people doing like 8 to 12 twists on their head, but since this is my first time doing them, they didn't really come out the best. But I just thought I'd try it just to see how it would work out on my hair. And I just counted the amount of twists that I have on my head, and I have 13 twists in total. And this is how much hair I shed from the whole twisting process. And I'm just going to let my hair dry for about 2 days, and then I'm going to come back to show you guys the final results and to show me taking the twists out. All right, y'all, so it is actually 3 days later, and this is what my twists are looking like. And I'm just going to go in with some olive oil and apply that to my hair before I begin taking my twist out. And now I'm just going to start unraveling my twists from ends to roots because I don't want to snag my hair during the takedown process. And this is what that section is looking like. This twist out actually came out pretty good, so I was impressed. And now I'm just going to continue taking out the rest of my twists. And this is what my hair was looking like before I began separating. And this is what my hair was looking like after I finished separating. And this twist out actually came out pretty good. Like I said, it's not my best, and there were still some frizzy pieces and whatnot. But other than that, the definition was still there. So yeah, I ain't mad at it. And my hair was super soft, super fluffy, super bouncy, and overall my hair was still really moisturized. So yeah, that concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, then don't forget to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and hit the little bell. And without further ado, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.